My name is Sofia Geideby and I'm from Stockholm, Sweden. There I run a salon called Lightened Factory. I'm super thrilled today because I'm invited by Schwarzkopf to collaborate with Lisa Farrell and take care of Shai. I'm super excited about showing this new technique that I have just developed, that it's like a mix between a traditional block color and also like a surface paint, I would say. When you make this color, you're gonna have so many options. You're gonna see the block from so many different angles, and you're also gonna have a lot of different kind of style opportunities. I wanna start off with to show you and tell you about my placement. And as you can see here, I've also made these papers and cut them in pieces. So it's gonna be easier to visualize my placement of the color. The fringe is also gonna be over-directed for like a smoother result in the front. And I'm also gonna work it very smooth with the brush. As you can see, it's gonna be a little bit thicker, more blocky around the hairline. I'm also leaving this part a little bit dark, and that's also because that's the widest part in the haircut. So I wanna keep that dark and push that in a little bit. So that's why I'm highlighting this part, and I also highlighting this part. So the ends are gonna be colored, and then it's gonna be one line there and two lines there. I start in the bottom on the ends of the hair, and here I'm working like with the first section, and I'm applying these two bands. I'm just going to continue this till I'm finished with this first section. And one tip as well that is really good is to use the hairspray as well if you want to make sure you have all the hair with you, because we all know that Shai has curly hair, and I have prepared it and straightened it as well, as you can see, just to make it even clearer where I'm placing all the blocks. Another tip I want to give you is as well how you're holding the brush when you're applying the lightener. If you want to make sure that it's like in the transition between the chunky block and the natural hair, you can switch over and you can use the brush like this, just to make sure it's gonna be like a nice, smooth transition between the block and the natural hair. Now I'm up here on the root application of the lightening. So I've been doing the first band here, and as you can see, I've been working in like layers and working with the lightener on top of each other with Vario Blonde 3% on the root. This one is just like layer on top of each other, and it's been on the root, and it's going to be like a horizontal block, and also making sure that we have this block color in the front as well here. Remember how the section were? They were like a little bit bigger going to smaller. So that the part that it's like transition into the back, that's like the thinnest section. Now I'm just gonna apply the last layer with the lightener on this top section. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what this is gonna be like. This is my final look. I hope you like it. Please check out our YouTube channel for more videos like this.